2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zayden. Happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3.
I can take it.
Yay! You take it out.
And now you eat it.
Yum!
You can try a piece first. You can try it.
Mmm, sugar, baby. It's sugar.
Mm.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, yum.
Oh, this is gonna be good. It's so good.
Try it.
It's good,
Yummy, yum, yum.
Take a bite. Ooh.
Yeah, buddy.
What you think? Those are delicious. I shouldn't have put them in the first time.
Mmm. That's cake.
Oh, I need some on my camera. Can you hand me my phone?
Yeah, buddy. He's shaking back and forth. Yeah.
Yeah, he can have another one when...
Yeah.
How do you think?
That is so good.
Yummy!
Yeah,
Yum!
that's so good for you. You're going to love it.
It's red dye 40 in here.
Yeah.
I got chocolate on my spoon.
There you go.
There you go.
That's how you do it, bud. That's how you do it.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Makes you dance. Makes you dance. Yeah, buddy.
That's good stuff, huh? Oh, here we go. It's gonna blow. What do you
Yum.
think? Happy birthday
Hi.
to you. That's why you didn't have to eat all your lunch. Here, this is a good part too, right there. Oh, look at that part. How about we all have one too?
There's mine making noise. You gonna eat that cake?
Yummy.
Cupcakes.
Thank you.
All poised and ready. Poised and ready.
Yeah, I don't want to miss it.
That's too great. Mine, God, it just keeps coming out blurry. Yeah. Oh, yay.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's a cake.
Happy birthday.
I've taken like 30 pictures. I'm bound to get one that's not blurry in here, so.
Well, I'm counting on it.
Is
There it goes. Yes. Yes.
Let me get a picture. Smile.
You got a hand shot.
See, look at Mama.
There it goes back to his mouth. Why is everybody watching me do this?
This is so good.
Keep watching me.
I didn't put a bib on it anyway.
I know.
Well, you got new shirts from your Grandma Lila. We'll put those on.
He's gonna wait out.
What are you checking the time for? What are you...
You got a freaking cupcake in front of you. Tackle it.
Let's see. Yum.
Yeah, that's got to be a trip. Never having sugar and then having it for the first time.
You're going to be so hyper and then so cranky.
Here he goes. There he goes. That's right. That stuff's on the hands too. Get it in there. Mm-hmm.
It's so cute.
Mm-mm.
He might throw up.
Mm-mm.
Probably.
That's good.
Yay!
How are the
Where's some
cupcakes?
water? I don't know. The frosting's good. Yes, and then you have to wash it down. You don't want any water, do you?
That's probably enough. How long does your video take for?
I can, as long as I got room in the memory card.
You're gonna send that whole thing?
No, that's enough. I'll